On. All right. And now we're screen recording, hopefully. And we can go do a search for the projector. Which one is this? 244, 242. Join. 9890. All right, fantastic. Everybody, please. All right, everyone, please have a look at the projector. Are you looking at the projector? Why does my... Oh, so confused. All right, so this is on our DX. Go to our DX. And go to Materials. Then go to Painting, Mathematics, and Symbols, Cycle 7. Ta-da. Now I'm going to show you the slideshow, and then I'm going to show you the resources, and then I'm going to give you the rest of the class to have fun with the golden section. As soon as the old slideshow. Do you need the lights off, or is it okay? This is good? You can see okay? All right, so the golden section, there it is. So, as you've probably seen this before, and now you understand better, right? It's based on that ratio, also sometimes called the Fibonacci sequence. There's sort of this pattern that creates harmony. And it's found, of course, in painting and drawing like you just saw, and also it's used in architecture, and it actually comes from nature. So there we go. Now what? Oh, why is that not catching up? Come on, lag. There we are. All right, so have a look at the screen now. Now I showed you one. I actually only showed you one way to plot the golden ratio, and that was this way right here. All right, or actually that way too. Right, that's a little different. That's for the face. Different way to arrange it. There's also this way, where this is your 1.619, and that's your 1. And it can also be found in triangles, and it can also be found in circles. And there's actually a whole bunch out there, right? I'll put some more up on our DX when I get the chance. And look, there it is in architecture. Ooh. And wait, I think this is the coolest one. There it is. There it is in nature. So as I was saying before, this is a way to organize harmony and balance in your compositions. Now, I can't tell you which came first. I don't know if this is people saw it in nature and then emulated it, or people were just designing like this and finding out that, oh, hey, look, what I naturally feel inclined to do also happens in nature. That's a question for the ages, I suppose. Now, the very next lesson, golden section resources. For the remainder of this class, and we only have just over 10 minutes, I'm going to challenge you with one thing, and that's to explore further. What you could do, if you're feeling so inclined, is you could use what you've plotted on your paper and make a drawing, right? Try, I don't know, a drawing of whatever you want, a landscape. And so here's where you put the boat, and then the mountains are here, but then they end in the sea, and then it's big and open there, or something like that. You can play around with making a composition based on the arrangement that the golden section lays out for you. You can go into some of these resources. These are just websites here, right? Things about design and architecture and graphic design, teaches you some more tricks than just what I showed you here. There's a series of super fun videos, doodling in math, spirals. You can watch them and follow along. This young lady makes a really excellent how to draw realistic plants by following the Fibonacci sequence. It is pretty cool. I would agree. So with the last 10 minutes of class, I'm going to let you choose your own adventure here. All right? Just engage in one of these activities. Keep any images that you make because they can be used in your creative hunt. If you go to one of these websites or videos, bookmark them so when you're making your creative hunt, you can go back and pull out some images and information. I'll take our videos from class today, and I'll also put them on our DX so you can go back and watch. All right? Have a good time.